The production of waterproof cables begins with precision wire cutting. Large rolls of electrical wire are automatically fed into the cutting system. The machine measures and slices each wire segment with exceptional accuracy, ensuring that every piece meets exact length specifications. This fully automated process not only saves time, but also automation. Following this, a smaller cutting machine handles more detailed work. It trims both ends of shorter wires to prepare them for soldering and terminal crimping. Once cutting is complete, the wires are passed to skilled workers for tinning. Each wire tip is carefully dipped in solder, coating the exposed ends to enhance electrical conductivity and improve bonding with terminals in later steps. Next, the tinned wires move to the terminal machine. This automated equipment presses metal terminals firmly onto each wire. Accurate terminal crimping ensures secure electrical contact and stable performance in future high-demand applications. Each piece is checked to meet strict mechatronic standards. Now we prepare the material for the connector housing. Inside the injection molding machine, the plastic pellets are melted at high temperatures. The molten plastic is injected into precision molds to form the external casing of the waterproof connector. After cooling, the solidified parts are removed, inspected, and prepared for assembly. This process produces seamless, high-strength protection against moisture, dust, and harsh environments. As the molds are filled, the material begins to cool and harden, taking on the shape of a seamless, highly durable casing. Once fully solidified, the molds open, and the finished components are carefully removed, inspected for defects, and sorted for the next stage of assembly. Before final approval, every connector is tested for communication reliability. Multiple testing angles simulate real-life application scenarios. Signal transmission is measured to ensure it remains stable under use. Only the cables that pass all quality checks are cleared for packaging. And here's the final result displayed on the test screen. Pass, fully compliant and ready for shipment. Pinagard, engineered for harsh environments.